Hi guys, and welcome to the channel ronsketocafe. Today we're going to be making some instant pot hard-boiled eggs using the 555 method. This is really pretty simple. Obviously you're going to need an instant pot. Now I have an 8-quart instant pot. I upgraded it down to a 6-quart because it was too big for us. So what we're doing over here, we're taking on the Travis that I picked up on Amazon. I'm taking half a dozen eggs or so, and I'm putting them on top of the this Travis over here, and it comes with the Instant Pot itself came with a metal rack. You can put them on top of there, or a steam basket. So just that's the metal rack it came with, and then I just popped them in with a cup of cold water, and then I put it on steam for 5 minutes and make sure the seal is closed. And I was just adjusting the temperature time on the Instant Pot itself. My goodness. But yeah, before when I posted this original video, I didn't have a voiceover on it, and you know, since then I graduated, and that was my countertop before I got my air fryer, and the little scale that I was using when I was losing all my weight. So now it's after 5 minutes, you're gonna just let it naturally release. You're gonna pop the lid off, and then we're gonna put it in a nice bath for 5 minutes. That's what I said, the 555 method. Very simple. Now you can do up to as many eggs as it fits into the Instant Pot. I've done as many as 12 eggs before. Cut them up and made double eggs. Now when you do the lid there, be careful you don't snap it back, because it will break. And it'll be very hot when you pull it out. So I used a pair of tongs. And yeah, and they ended up getting that thing. I think I told you I got it on Amazon. I seen it at Kohl's and Walmart's and all over the place. And then I'm using some tongs to put them in the ice bath. And then of course these, when your shell breaks off, the egg will come off really nice and smooth, and you got a nice, really great egg. And hard-boiled eggs are a good snack. They're good carnivore snack. They're, you know, a lot of different recipes you can make with hard-boiled eggs. And you know, I would encourage you just don't to give up. But if your family eats a lot of hard-boiled eggs, the old traditional way with a little egg timer, then over the top of the stove for 3 minutes, and you know, and I'm gonna show you in the video here how nice they break off, and I just crack them a little bit, and then I see how nice they just peel right off. And then you know, of course they discard the shell, but you know, then in the upcoming, a little bit ahead in the video there, yeah, I cut one open with a knife there to show you how well cooked they were on the inside. And I was just, as I was peeling them, I was just putting them in a bowl. And so let's advance the forward a little video further. Okay, so you can see in the video how nice and clean they came out, and didn't take hardly any time at all. And again, these are great for the summertime, a lot of salads and stuff like that. And anyways, I forgot to cut one open for you, but I think you get the idea. But everything was fully cooked on the inside. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm getting much better on these video recipes for you guys. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.